Hey, how you doing? This is Side and I'm back with another video for you, and today we're going to talk about how to create videos for your affiliate marketing business without being on camera. Okay, so if you wanted to do some affiliate promotional videos and things like that, but you don't want to be on camera, and for whatever reason, it's fine. In this video we're going to go through two methods that will basically show you how you can create those videos without being on camera. Okay, so let's start with the so video related marketing is on the rise, okay, and the trend is all the way up. So it's in the best interest of your affiliate marketing business that you incorporate and implement video marketing in order to grow your business. Okay, so when it comes to video, various split tests and case studies are proven that video is more appealing to your audience and helps greatly with conversions. There are many types of videos, marketing videos, that you can create as an affiliate to promote your affiliate products, such as review videos, bridge page videos, content videos, and many more types of videos that you can create. Also notice that there are affiliates out there that actually in the videos themselves, presenting in the videos. For example, in this video, as you can see, presenting or trying to present the video. So I'm in the video myself and presenting the content. Okay, however, I understand that for some people it may not be comfortable to be on camera. Okay, so showing your face on camera or being on camera is not an activity that everyone will like doing or choose to do, and that's perfectly fine. But if you can make the effort to be on camera, maybe sometime later on in the future, at some point, maybe start working on it, it surely may help in a massive way, with your business, as people get to see you, your personality and your character. Okay, all these visuals on the video can help with the relationship building process between you and your audience, and as you can give them the opportunity to know you, like you, and trust you, which in effect can impact your affiliate conversions in a positive way. Okay, and I totally understand that beyond camera is not everyone's cup of tea. So the other common method, the alternative that you can use is to outsource your video creation to sites like Fiverr or Upwork.com. And basically outsourcing sites, sites that these sites obviously have people out there that they can actually create your videos for you for some money, right, for a fee. But they will come at a cost, of course. Yeah, and if you want to do it yourself, and then today in this video we're going to look at two simple methods that you can actually go out and do yourself, saving some money for yourself, and basically I said the simple methods. Okay, so with these methods you could kind of be on camera and not be on camera at the same time, still have the effect of being on camera. Okay, the methods are suitable when you want to talk about a subject or even demonstrate something online. Okay, or of course create content videos, right? So the two methods required to have a blog, or PowerPoint or Google Slides app. Okay, these two apps, the PowerPoint and the Google Slides, are both free online. You can get them. If you don't have a blog, you seriously should have one. If you want to build a sustainable affiliate marketing business that will last, that will be here for a long time, that will become an asset. Okay, you must build a blog. You must have a blog and website. I'll put a link in the article, a description of an article that I did about the importance of having your home on the internet, i.e. your website, your blog. Okay, you can check that out when you get a chance, but it's really important that you do eventually have a website, your home on the internet. Okay, so for now you can still create your marketing videos using method one, which is using PowerPoint or Google Slides app, whichever that you want to use. So here's how it works. You're going to create some videos, some content on your blog or PowerPoint slides, okay, with the free apps that I've mentioned, and then simply read the slides or content on your blog whilst recording the screen. Okay, and that's the method. Okay, these methods are simple to do, can be done for free, and can also help with the building the know, like, and trust between you and your audience without you being on camera, without showing your face on camera, but you are still partially being on camera because you're going to be providing your voiceover. Okay, so method one using PowerPoint, Google Slides, and the free screen recorder that we're going to use. Okay, first decide what type of content, marketing video content that you want to create. Video sales page, bridge page, content video, whatever it is. Number two, you're going to open up PowerPoint or Google Slides. If you don't have any of these, you can sign up, for PowerPoint, a free PowerPoint online version, office.live.com, or you can go to google.com for Google Slides, the alternative to PowerPoint, Google version, and both free online you can use. Okay, so whichever one that you want to go for, you can use it. Okay, you can see some screenshots of Google Slide and the PowerPoint Office version online. Okay, so in each slide, once you start whichever one that you use once you start the slides, okay, in each slide you're going to start writing out your content. Okay, using a font that can be clearly read. For example, I went with Arial size 36, and you can write about 3 to 4 lines of content on each slide, so it's nice and big and clear and they're clean. Okay, looks nice and clear. Okay, it's for your visitor, for your viewer to read. So you can see this example I put on screen of one of my slides of my one of my promotional videos that I did. It's just got 4 lines, Arial size 36, and it looks just clean. Okay, it's clearly it can be read clearly by your audience. Okay, so once you've finished your content piece, next thing is to record it using a screen recorder. So with screen recorders, there are plenty out there available online, free versions and paid versions. I use Camtasia. Paid version. Camtasia is cost, of course, you need to pay for it, and the Screencast-O-Matic is a free one which you can use if you don't want to pay for Camtasia. And this one, the Camtasia, is limited to 15 minutes of record time. Okay, so a lot of the videos you can get done in 15 minutes. A lot of my videos I do get done in 15 minutes, so it's fine. If you want to use that one, Screencast-O-Matic, I'll put the links of all these resources that I've mentioned on the YouTube description below, and also I'll put a link to the actual an article to this whole video that I'm talking about. Okay, on how to create videos for your business without being on camera. Okay, so yeah, Camtasia you can use as a free version, limited to 15 minutes. So once you figured out which one you can use, just go for that one. And you can also Google it if you want to find out something that you want to search for, any recording software. So once you've done that, you've got your screen recorder ready. Next, you're going to open up your screen recorder to record the slides from the first slide to the last slide, and simply read out what it says on each slide. Okay, slide by slide until the end. So you can start on the first slide. You're going to read out the slide on each slide. Okay, if you want, you can add some extra comments, narrative if you want, on each slide, and just simply go through the slides. Okay, a bit like what you see in if you when you attend webinars, you see like they go through the slide and they just talk over them. Okay, but with this it's similar like that. You just got to basically read out the slides, but you don't have to be on camera, because on the screen recorders you have the option of webcam and showing your face, camera, or you can just have the screen. So you can just basically disable the option for the face recording. Okay, and it'll just record the screen. Okay, so that's how you do it. And of course you'll just record your voice. So once we finish our video, we're going to save it and upload it to YouTube. YouTube, of course, is free to upload with your Google account, once you have a Google account, which you can create if you don't have one. And after you've uploaded your video, you can take the YouTube links and simply share it to where you want, basically. Okay, so that's method 1, using the Google Slides. Method 2 is using blog post page and free screen recorder. This is the method I use quite a bit. You've seen in my videos that basically so this method is similar to method 1, but in this method we're going to use our actual blog post, read it and record it on screen, including anything else that you want to record, i.e. websites, product demonstrations. Okay, the first step is to create your content and publish it on your blog, okay, like you would normally do. And next we're going to view the blog post and zoom in on it to the point where the content is largest visible on screen, and then you launch your screen recorder and adjust the screen view to capture only the blog post content to maximum viewing coverage as possible. Okay, so try and make sure that you don't capture any of the sidebars. It should only record the content section, and this way it will be easier to read for your viewers and less distraction. Okay, and here's an example of one of the videos that I recorded using the blog post, and you can see this video itself is actually an example. Okay, you can see that I've used basically using the blog post method. I just record the video, record the publish the blog post and just record it. Okay, this particular video, as you can see. So before you hit the screen, go to right at the top of the blog post and start recording and read the blog out as normal pace, in a normal pace, as if you're talking to someone. Okay, slowly in relaxing mode, and that way, you know, you can just read whatever's on the screen, just like what I'm doing right now. Okay, and then as you just go read through the entire post and simply record the whole video. Okay, what you're reading. Once you're finished, you can upload it to YouTube and then share it. Okay, that's it basically. As mentioned, if you don't have YouTube, you can create it for your Google account and from YouTube, and then you get your YouTube account automatically once you create the Google account, and you can, you know, start uploading your video. Okay, so with any of these methods, you can of course show other things on the screen depending on, you know, the subject of video. For example, if you want to demonstrate a website features software, you know, you can just go to the website while you're recording it, and, you know, open up a new tab or Google Chrome and start recording that as well. So whichever, it depends on your subject, what you're recording. Okay, so that's the two methods I use myself to record my affiliate marketing promotional videos. They're simple to do and can be done using free resource available, as I've explained. With the blog post method 2, I find it's much quicker to create the videos, you know, because PowerPoint slides does take a while to create the slides and, you know, arrange the text and all that. But PowerPoint slides does look visually better, you know, I must say. But with the blog post, you can maybe use it for content. I use it a lot for just general content, you know. But with the PowerPoint slides, I'll probably use it a lot for you know, recording you know, like maybe bridge page videos and stuff like that. Okay, so you can try out both, see which one works for you best, and yeah, that's it. Try, give it a go, see how it works for you. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll put all the links to the resource that I've mentioned in the YouTube description below. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully you can check it out. Okay, try it out. So yeah, if you'd like some free resources on how to build your income with affiliate marketing, visit affiliateship.com/free, and I'll put the YouTube link in the description below as well. Thanks for watching, and see you later.